Morning, ma'am. Welcome to Holiday Hotel. I am Rowena Vergara, your butler for the rest of the stay. Allow me to carry your luggage, ma'am. This way, ma'am. Please take your seat, ma'am. Ma'am, can I borrow your identification card for verification purposes?
Yes.
Good morning, front desk. May I get the list of the arriving guests and may I also get the registration of the guests? Please. Thank you, front desk. Excuse me, ma'am. Here's your registration form. Affix your signature if it is correct.
Yes, it is correct.
Thank you, ma'am. For a moment, ma'am. Front desk, may I get the key card of the guest? Thank you. Excuse me, ma'am. Shall we go to the room? Ma'am, your room is located at 4th floor. Your room is an executive suite room. Here in our holiday hotel, we have restaurant that offers local and international cuisines. Breakfast starts every 7 a.m. to 9 a.m. and lunch starts every 11:30 a.m. to 1 p.m. Dinner starts every 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. And if you want to swim, ma'am, we have pool located at 6th floor and we have gym located also at 6th floor for your fitness and wellness. And if you have business to be done, we have business center located at 5th floor. Ma'am, here we are on the 4th floor. Your room is on the right. Room check. Ma'am, would you like me to show you how to operate this speaker?
Yes.
Ma'am, if the light is red, it means the room is under activation. It is not red. It is not yet ready. And if the light is green, it means the room is ready and all the amenities are ready. Please come in. Please come in, ma'am. Welcome to your executive suite room. It has 72 inches flat screen television, split type air conditioner, and all the remote control can find at the night table. And your bathroom has a jacuzzi. Ma'am, would you like me to unpack your luggage?
Yes.
Would you like me to fold or hang it?
Hang up my clothes.
Ma'am, if you have someone's queries, please dial number 1 for front desk department. Please dial number 2 for housekeeping department. And dial number 3 for room service department. Thank you, ma'am. Have a nice day. Enjoy your stay at Arayat Hotel. Bali service.
Come in.
Good morning, ma'am. I am Rowena Vergara, your Bali attendant for today. Do you have some Bali service to be done?
Polish my shoes.
Allow me to get your shoe, ma'am.
Yes.
A moment.
Come in.
Good morning, ma'am. Here's your already polished shoes.
Thank you.
Now, here's your voucher. Affix your signature here. And it will be added to your account. Do you have some Bali service, ma'am?
None.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for availing our service. Have a nice day.
Thank you.
Butler service.
Come in.
Good morning, ma'am. I am here to remind you that today is your check-out day. Would you like me to pack your things, ma'am?
Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am. Would you like me to call the front office to process your bill? Morning, front desk. Please prepare the bill of Miss Nabasquez of room 201. Thank you, front desk. Excuse me, ma'am. I already will be paying it by cash or credit card.
Credit card. Staff and personnel were hospitable, and I like the ambience here.
Ma'am, please take your seat while your bill is on process. Good morning, front desk. May I get the guest follow of my guest? Thank you, front desk. Your ID, ma'am, to process your bill. Thank you, ma'am, for a short time. Front desk, here's the payment of Mr. John. Ma'am, here's your receipt. Kindly sign it. And may I also have the key card? Ma'am, would you like me to call a taxi for you?
Yes.
Excuse me, please call a taxi for my guest. Thank you. Taxi is waiting outside. Bye. Ma'am, thank you for choosing Arias Hotel. We're hoping for your next visit. Have a nice day.
Thank you.